Let's go! Huh? Let's go lah! Hello everyone! We are from Group 14 and today we will make
macaroni salad,
and without wasting any more time,
let's enjoy our video.
let's go!
Nah, terang kelam.
You have seen our video. What do you think about it? Cool, isn't it? So now, without wasting any more time, let us start with our menu. But first, I'm going to tell you what menu we have in this video. First one, we're going to make macaroni, and the second one, we're going to make pastel. So let us begin! The ingredient for macaroni salad. First, we have boiled macaroni, nata de coco mixed with canned fruit, mayonnaise, condensed milk, and nata de coco juice. So let us begin. Hi, we're going to start doing our macaroni. First, we're going to put the boiled macaroni first. Now, we're going to put the fruit. You can put as much as you want. Next, we're going to stir it first. Only then, we're moving on to the mayonnaise. Put as much as needed, depends on your macaroni. Then, you're going to put on some condensed milk. This one, if you like more sweeter, you can put a lot, but you prefer less, then put less condensed milk. Here, I like it sweeter, so I put lots of condensed milk. So here, this is optional, but you can add either this nata de coco juice, or you can change it with dairy milk or evaporated cream. But here I don't use it. So now all we want to do is to stir it.
So now we will going to make pastel. First, we're gonna do the filling first. The ingredient for the filling, we need the white noodles. Soak it in the water for about 30 minutes, and then garlic and onion, and a pinch of salt, and a pinch of ajinomoto, and then a soy sauce, and a little bit of oil. Onion and the garlic.
While they are preparing the filling, we are going to prepare the dough. So for the dough ingredient, first we need hot oil, a cup of water, and flour. So without wasting any more time, let us begin.
So first I'm going to put the flour.
water. Then we will mix it until it turns to dough. So, the dough is done!
So hello guys, we're almost at the end of the video, but we need to make the sauce. First here, you need some boiling hot water, some ajinomoto, salt, vinegar, white pepper, and also garlic. So first, you're gonna need to put some vinegar inside of the glass filled with hot water. Just put as much as you need. Now, I'm going to put some garlic inside of it. Put it all. Make sure you chop it very thin. Now, next, you're gonna need some ajinomoto. Put as much as needed. And also put some salt, maybe 2 pinch or 3. Then last but not least, we're going to put the white pepper. Okay. Then you're just gonna have to stir it. So hello everyone, we finished our pastel. This is the sauce and this is the pastel. So let's start to eat it. So we're gonna take this. You may dip it first like that. Dip it. Then you're going to taste it. It's so good. Now, the other thing you can do is that you may put this inside of it, like that, and just eat it.
I think this combination is very unique because they turn the macaroni into dessert. Because usually macaroni is a savory dish. I think it's a good combination.
Hi everyone! That's the end of our video. Thank you for watching and don't forget to try it at home.